wanted to share something really special with you all. This ear cuff is inspired by some of my favorite things growing up, like rainbows and Lisa Frank and unicorns and The Princess and the Never-Ending Story. It's made with these gorgeous crystals and rondelles that catch the light in the most magical way. The design was all about capturing that sense of wonder and fantasy that I used to feel watching those scenes as a kid. So here are the crystals that you are going to get to make your very own ethereal ear cuff that is inspired by what you're seeing today. You're going to get a series of bicones, fire polished beads, rondelles, quartz crystals, and little metallic discs that helped me create this look today. So make sure you visit my website, tommyobain.com, to pick up this one and only kit that I'm making to accompany this piece. Thanks for watching.